circle, rough circle. Okay, this line is little above. This eye is need to be little up. So what I'm doing, I'm just want to make sure this eye is compared to little high. So I'm just giving 0.5 mm, just 0.5 centimeter, not 1 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter. From here, so here also a curve is there. I'm just marking the eye like this. Here also a curve, I'm just putting the same like this, a small curve. And one C. From here, I'm just going to draw the nose. So what I'm doing, so this is the angle. Okay, this angle only we are going to draw the tiger face nose. So from here, I'm just want to make sure like this triangle. This triangle, just draw one triangle, that's it. Here we are going to draw the nose. Okay, dot, just move little bit and put one line to the center of this nose. This is nose. We are going to draw this as a nose. Okay, we want to make it a form. This is only a shape, right? Now I'm going to make its form. So what I'm doing, just drawing one like a curve. We done the practice, no? Just like this, a curve. You see here? So this center, here there is like an M. One curve coming up. No need to do like a bigger curves, okay? From here, a curve. From here, a curve. This curve we need to show a little more dark area. I'm just making little dark. And here. Second. After completing this, just draw one circle type like this, but it's not a full circle, it will be a 60% of circle. From here, no need to touch this bottom line. Okay, above that it will turn like this till here, just turn, that's it. And here also the same way we need to draw one more circle. Okay, so from here I'm just drawing this line like this and making, so it should come, this part will be very less, and this will be like 60%, this will be 30%. Okay, 70, 30, you can keep that of the ear. So putting like this, and I'm just putting curve like this and extending till here. Just putting, this is the straight line, already we drawn line, no? I'm just extending a little bit and putting one curve, a small bend here, this line. And here I'm just extending a little bit. Just making bigger size. Okay, this need to be little wider, so we can able to see this part, ear part. So just make sure it is bigger size. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, make sure it should be a circle but little bit stretched. That's it. Okay, just giving some spot for the highlight. Here one spot just for an highlight area. Okay, here I'm just extending this black, just a curve, small curve here. Here also a small curve. Okay, then from here I'm just drawing like a small curve, one little thicker curve, one. From here, 2, and here 3. Give equal space. Here also we are going to draw 1, 2, 3. Now we need to start from here, give a little space and just 1, 2, 3. And here I'm just putting one curve like this. I'm just putting one curve like this. This curve start from here. This is the line, so going like this, curve. And from here The same way it's going like this until here, and it's going. So this is the design element only. You can just copy as it is formed that. But make sure the curves need to follow the same. It should not be a straight line or something like. Okay. Already added this curve here yesterday. Now I'm just extending this and joining here. Same here, connecting this line. Just turning like this. And here is one more line. This part I'm going to change little bit. So already we draw like this, no? Now I need to change a small curve like this and make like this. You see here? Here it's going up curve, here down curve. So this part need to come down. So from here, I'm just making this curve. Okay, clear? So this part will be improved little bit. So this I will bring white. So now we change the shape little like this. This curve. Actually, we just make in this angle. Now we change a little bit. For example, I'm just putting like this. This is the design. From here, this part, and going like this. Okay. So take the point brush. So see, this is the point brush, thin brush. We'll start the coloring part. So it will be perfect. Otherwise, we can do it in faster manner. Whenever we are going to start doing it in faster manner, then it will be left collapsed. So we need to give some time, take some time, do the curve perfectly, understand the shape perfectly. Here also, we need to make the shape perfectly. Now I just drawn only one line, no? So this is a thicker line. Some place there will be some thickness will be there. Here, if you see, it will have thickness. Now we are going to apply the light blue. So there are two blues are in this. So I'm just selecting the cobalt blue. Okay. And you need to make it more lighter. So I'm just taken this and added more white here to make it lighter. Okay. Applying the color. So from this part, I'm just going to apply. So for example, here we have already applied the black. So now I'm just giving the same shape. So I'm just making this shape first, then I'm just filling inside. So poster color, we are going to add mix little bit yellow. So here, so here, this below this eye, we are going to apply one yellow also. This small part, I'm just going to apply this. So you need to take this medium area. Okay. So one. Then below this eye, two. Okay. Okay. So what I'm doing, first I'm just giving this green. Okay, here, dark green. So I'm not touching this part. You see here, here we are going to apply the black. So just a stroke. Okay. And I just draw one line like this. That's all. You see, I'm just applying this stroke. Anyway, we will fill here with the black. So just a small dot I'm just giving. One small line on it. Okay. And wherever the highlight is there, I'm not touching there. So here is highlight. So till here I applied the dark green. Okay. From the top, I'm just touching with this black. Okay. So it's look like a black only, dark green. Now I'm going to take so we are going to apply 3 colors here. Next I have taking the light green. So only just a dot I have applied on the top. Now I am taking the light green. So see here, now I am just giving one more. So we are going to wash here. Slowly. So this we are going to apply the black. So I am not touching here. So, okay. Again here I am just applied. Slowly I am applying. So here we need to show the gradient. Gradient means light to dark. That shade we are going to show. So I'm just doing small, very lightly. I'm just doing this. And bottom part, now I'm just going to take the medium yellow. I'm just putting one U like this. Okay. Then I'm going to blend the poster color. So what I'm just using with the water and I'm blending like this. So you can see now the color gradient field. See here. So I'm just leaving the white dot. Highlight always need to keep in mind the highlight need to be maintained perfectly. Okay. So now I am applying this. Finally, we'll be applying the white also. Okay. Now this is like an egg shape. Okay. Finally, we'll be using highlight and depth wherever it's required. Okay. Now you got that feel, no? After completing this, wherever you feel that dot, everything you need to maintain with this. Just touch the black and just fill that. Okay.